Hello, this is Hayden Young. This is my submission for assignment 5 for computer system design. I'm recording on mobile because my laptop only has 2 USB ports, so the Z mode makes it impossible for me to record audio on my computer because I have a headset. So anyways, let's look at the code. So this assignment consists of 3 files. There's zinc peripherals, which has been provided by the professor. And there's this main file, which is an assembly, and this was modified from the professor's code. And then we have this C file, which it branches over to. So the peripherals file is not super important, it just has a lot of setup stuff. But over here, we have like the setting up of the interrupts and the interrupt controller setup. And it also sets up a private timer. So for my private timer, I had this be the initial time. And the reason that is because I found that was the closest I could get to 1 second. Just through trial and error. And then if we come down here, this is where it This is where it branches over to the C code, but before we do that, we have to save what's in the registers, and after we come back, we have to load what's in the registers. So yeah, all this is just the interrupt and the private timer. And then once it branches over to the C code, we have a static int called counter. And counter, because it's a static variable, is going to stay active as long as my code is running. But before we do that, we print just a bunch of spaces to UART, and this or through UART, and this is just going to make the display look prettier. And then we calculate the number of seconds, the number of minutes, the number of hours, and then we print everything out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to build the project and I'm going to run it, and I can show you how it works. So build all. And then run. All right, so if we Alt Tab over to UART, there we go. And it'll continue to do that until it hits 1 minute, and it'll be, move over to the minutes and then the hours. And yeah, that's all.